Crane Humidifier, Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifiers, by Crane is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. 1 gallon tank, removable 1 gallon tank fits under most bathroom sinks for easy filling and runs whisper quiet up to 24 hours. Clean control, antimicrobial material reduces mold and bacteria growth by up to 96%. Soothing relief. Ultrasonic Cool Mist effectively humidifies up to 500 square feet for easier breathing and a good night's sleep. No filter required. This humidifier does not require a filter, but for homes with hard water, demineralization filters can be purchased and used with this unit. Auto shut-off sensor. Humidifier automatically shuts off when the water level is low. Voltage 120 V. For domestic use only. Get relief from cold and flu symptoms and bring wellness to your entire family in style with an iconic Crane drop humidifier. Featuring an award-winning design and top-rated performance, Crane's drop-shape ultrasonic cool mist humidifiers provide up to 24 hours of soothing moisture to help relieve the effects of dryness and congestion, helping you and your family to breathe easy and sleep through the night peacefully. The moisture that humidifiers add to dry air also help alleviate many common nuisances brought on by winter heating, such as static electricity, peeling wallpaper, shrinking wood, and cracks in paint and furniture. Humidifiers are an ideal choice for relieving the discomforts of nasal congestion, dry itchy skin and hair, chapped lips, nosebleeds, and dry throats. Recent studies by the Center for Disease Control have also shown that relative humidity levels between 43% and 60% helps prevent the movement of germs, including the flu virus. Humidifiers are especially important for newborns because they are obligate nasal breathers, breathing only through their tiny noses for their first 4-6 months. Any congestion can make breathing, feeding, and sleeping incredibly difficult for your little one. Not only that, but many pediatricians recommend the use of a humidifier as a safe, non-medicated, all-natural alternative to help relieve congestion from the common cold and flu instead of potentially harmful over-the-counter cough and cold medicine. Crane's drop design complements any home's decor. Not only are Crane drop humidifiers stylish, but they are easy to use, whisper quiet, and feature antimicrobial material in the base to help reduce mold and bacteria growth by up to 96%. This compact, BPA-free unit uses ultrasonic technology to add humidity to the air, is more efficient than a household light bulb, and includes a built-in auto shut-off feature that engages when the water tank is empty to ensure safety.